Let us see how we can set up Workspace for developing Java-based applications on a Windows machine. First, we'll go with openjdk installation. For that, there are many options available. Here I'm choosing Adaptium. I can directly download the LTS version and run the MSI. I want to do it with the binary. So I'll go to other platforms, choose my operating system as Windows. Mine is a 64-bit system and choose JDK. Now I'm downloading the zip version. Here I'm placing it in my C drive. You can choose to place it anywhere. I have created a folder called as programs. In the downloaded zip file, I'm pasting it here. Then we have to extract it. In the meantime, we can see if Java is already installed or not in my machine. It shouldn't be because I'm yet to install it. So the command that is used to check if Java is installed or not is java space hyphen hyphen version. So since you see it is not being installed, so now I have an installation setup. What I have to do is copy this path, go to environment variables for account, and a pop-up will appear something like this. Here I'm going to create a new variable called as java underscore home, and the value to be whatever we have copied just now. Let's see if Java is installed or not. Again, I'm going to terminal. Still it is not installed. That's because we haven't set our path variable. For doing the same, we have to go to environment variables for account again. Click on the path. Here you shouldn't delete it. Click on edit, add new, paste it, and save it. Now whenever you make some changes, it might not reflect straight away into the terminal. You have to reopen it. Still it is not able to recognize it. I'll go to the bin folder, copy the path, click on environment variables for account, path, edit it, and in the earlier version, place this. And now let's see if it worked. Yes, now it is able to show which version of Java is installed in our machine. So the first step is completed. Now we can write Java programs in a text file, compile it and run it. But our aim is to run it through an IDE, and we need to develop production grade systems. For that, we need maven installation also. We can use Gradle as well. Here I'm choosing to use maven. Once you scroll down, you will see a binary zip archive. you have to download it. I'm copying it, and just for my convenience you can leave it wherever you want, or you can place it in whichever location you're in. I'm pasting it in C programs as well. Now, same as earlier, we have to extract it. Now we have this path. Now, for making use of this, again I'm going to copy the path, go to environment variables for account. Why I'm choosing account rather than system is, in many of environment versions, in many enterprises, they will not allow developers access to system variables. So we have to choose account variables. So I'm going to create a new account variable called as maven home and paste the value for it. Since maven requires Java home path, that's the reason why we have set it. Just simply by setting the path variable, we should be able to use Java. Okay. Now let's see if we are able to identify maven. The command to check if maven is installed or not is maven space hyphen hyphen version. Maven is not again showing up. Now let's go to environment variables. Copy the maven home. Go to path, edited, and add the bin path as well. Open a new terminal. Finally, it's working. So let's go to our checklist. We have installed maven, set up Java home, set up maven home as well. Now we have to pick an IDE. I'm just accepting all as of now. Ultimate version. I need the community version. So we'll see a prompt like this once we get the IntelliJ IDEA installation initiated. We have to click on next, choose any path, and I want to create a shortcut and add it to bin, open his folder. Want all Groovy, Kotlin, and Maven files to be opened with IntelliJ IDEA. So once we install the IDE, all we have to do is choose some plugins which are like just good to have, they are not mandatory. Now in the meantime, we'll see how we can create a simple Spring Boot project. I am choosing Maven for my project, and Java for the language, most recent, Spring Boot version. Let's name it as alpha. Artifact name as, let's call it user management. On jar, Java 21. From the dependencies, I can choose web. That's more than enough for now. Let me, so what and all things it will create, you can click on explore and see. So it is going to give us start a web and start a test. Click on generate and it will download a folder for you. So in the meantime, we'll extract this project. Okay, let's see I want to reboot it later. I want to open an existing one. So I'll go to D drive, YT programs, user management. I do trust this project and folders. So I have everything here. I want to load it as a maven project. So we got the maven tab. We can access the lifecycle events. So it's saying to configure. Can go to project structure for it. Select Eclipse Tamarin, and I want 21 version only. So now I can trigger Maven lifecycle events. Phases. So in the meantime, we will see what null plugins. Mainly, I just tend to use key prompter. Yes, this is the one. So got installed. Click on apply and OK. So advantage of this prompter is whenever we choose any shortcuts like starting an application, closing an application, we should be able to get an alert that you have missed a shortcut. Now I'll do a maven install. Running the application, I want to add a new configuration. I'll click on add. It is the Java application. Let me name it as user management, all shortcuts, JDK is same. Give the mine class project user management. Source main Java. That's all. Still running. Okay. Run the application. All we have to click on start. See, creep prompter is showing I have missed shift plus F10. Starting the application. So application is starting up. And it has started on port 8080. So that's how we set up workspaces for Java based projects.